One of the few locations in the world where you may witness both the dawn and sunset over the Pacific and Atlantic on the same day is Panama. Additionally, Panama's Pensionado Visa program gives retirees enormous savings on everything from airfare to medical treatment and utilizes the US dollar as its currency, making it one of the world's most alluring retirement locations. Doesn't that sound like a dream location? Before we begin, please subscribe to ensure that you never miss out on any of my crucial stuff. Comment "I subscribe" below and I will personally welcome you to our community. Let's get started. The tiny Central American nation of Panama, well known for its famous canal, might be the location you've been looking for. Panama is growing in popularity as a retirement destination because of its laid-back lifestyle, friendly residents, and tax breaks for seniors. This guide will cover all you need to know about retiring in Panama, from housing and visas to living expenses and the local way of life, regardless of whether you are drawn to the peaceful beaches and mountain communities or the energetic city life of Panama City. Why choose Panama for your retirement? The physical location of Panama is perfect for people who wish to combine civilization with nature. Panama, which lies between Colombia and Costa Rica, provides convenient access to both the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans. Its closeness to the equator guarantees a year-round tropical environment. White sand beaches and highland forests are only two examples of the nation's varied landscapes, which offer a range of settings to suit your lifestyle. In addition to its stunning natural surroundings, Panama has a strong economy, largely because of the Panama Canal, which brings in a sizable sum of money for the nation. For the convenience of American retirees, Panama utilizes the US dollar as its legal currency. Additionally, the government makes it easy for foreign retirees to settle in and lead comfortable lives by providing them with alluring incentives. The visa program for pensionados. The Pensionado Visa program, created especially to draw retirees, is one of the most alluring features of retiring in Panama. You need to fulfill the following conditions in order to be eligible for this visa. You must have a minimum monthly Social Security income of $1,000 or a lifelong pension. It is recommended that a couple get a minimum pension of approximately $1,250 per month. You have to get your pension from a company or the government. You will receive a number of advantages after being granted the Pensionado Visa, such as 50% off hotel stays Monday through Thursday, a 25% discount on flights, 50% off of entertainment including theater, concerts and movies, a 20% discount on doctor's appointments and prescription medications, a 10% discount. For the first 20 years, homes purchased under this program are exempt from property taxes, which makes it a great choice for anyone looking to invest in real estate. Living expenses. The cost of living in Panama is lower than in many Western nations. Your lifestyle will determine how much you need to live comfortably, but generally speaking, these are the monthly expenses. In Panama City, the cost of renting a one-bedroom apartment can vary from $700 to $1,000. However, it may be as low as $500 in smaller areas like Coronado or Boquete. The average monthly cost of utilities, gas, electricity, water, and internet is between $75 and $100. Although grocery expenditure varies, most retirees say they spend between $300 and $500 per month. A dinner at a nearby restaurant costs between $5 and $10 per person, making eating out incredibly inexpensive. From $2,000 to $2,500 a month, including rent, a couple can live comfortably in Panama. Options for housing in Panama are quite diverse. You can choose from beachside villas, residences in the cooler mountain regions, or high-rise flats in Panama City. Prices are significantly lower than in North America or Europe, whether you're looking to buy or rent. It's reasonable to anticipate paying between $150,000 and $200,000 for a contemporary apartment in the heart of Panama City. Depending on the size and location, homes in the well-known expat enclaves of Coronado and Boquete might cost anywhere from $100,000 to $200,000. If you choose to purchase, keep in mind that there are no restrictions on foreign ownership, and foreigners have the same rights as Panamanians when it comes to property ownership. The people of Panama are renowned for being hospitable and kind. Mestizo, a mix of indigenous, European and African heritage, makes up the majority of Panamanians. The culture of the nation is a blend of Spanish colonial influences, indigenous customs, and a significant Caribbean impact, particularly along the Atlantic coast. Panamanian women are frequently characterized as amiable, warm, and focused on their families. They usually participate in both conventional household duties and the working world, and they cherish close-knit family ties. As a reflection of the nation's varied past, Panamanian women frequently exhibit a remarkable blend of indigenous and Afro-Caribbean characteristics. Due in great part to its advantageous location and the Panama Canal, a vital route for international marine trade, Panama boasts a stable and expanding economy. Since it was finished in 1914, the canal has been a significant source of income for the nation, and its 2016 extension helped the economy even more. Spanish colonization, independence movements, and American involvement during the canal's construction have all influenced the nation's rich history. Panama still draws international investment and maintains political stability today. Before we continue, can I beg a little favor? If you're liking what you're hearing, show us some love by pressing that like button. And hey, if you want to be in the loop for our fantastic upcoming videos, make sure to press subscribe and ring that bell so you're always in the know. Oh, and one more thing, drop a quick "I subscribe" down in the comments and I'll make sure to offer you a warm welcome to our amazing family. Alright, enough of that. Let's keep the conversation flowing. Activities and attractions in Panama. The vibrant center of the nation is Panama City, which combines rich historical and cultural landmarks with contemporary skyscrapers. Here are a few salient points. In the Old Quarter, Casco Viejo, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. This quaint historic quarter is a must-see for travelers to Panama. Explore the cobblestone lanes that are dotted with eateries, boutique hotels, art galleries, and vibrant colonial architecture. Important landmarks like the Metropolitan Cathedral and the Presidential Palace can also be found in Casco Viejo. Panama Canal. One of the nation's most recognizable landmarks, the Panama Canal, is an engineering wonder. Learn about the history of the canal at the visitor center and observe enormous ships passing through the locks as you visit the Miraflores locks. A museum that chronicles the canal's development and growth is also located there. Amador Causeway. This picturesque road provides stunning views of the Panama City skyline as it runs along the Pacific entry to the Panama Canal. There are parks, eateries, bike rentals, and even the Biomuseo, a museum that examines Panama's geological past and biodiversity and was created by famed architect Frank Gehry along the causeway of Cinta Costera. This Panama City waterfront promenade is a great place to walk, bike, or rollerblade if you like being outside. In addition to providing breathtaking city views, it's an excellent spot to work out while taking in the coastal breezes and skyline. The Canal Zone of Panama. The entire Panama Canal Zone is an intriguing area to explore, in addition to Panama City's Miraflores locks. Even bigger than Miraflores, the Gatun locks provide a more serene vista and are situated close to Colón on the Caribbean side. For boat cruises and wildlife observation, it's also worthwhile to visit the neighboring Gatun Lake, which is one of the biggest artificial lakes in the world. A birdwatcher's dream, Soberania National Park is close to the canal zone and has great trekking paths through verdant rainforests. The Pipeline Road, which is well known for its profusion of wildlife, including sloths, monkeys, and hundreds of bird species, is one of the most well-liked hiking routes. The Archipelago of Bocas del Toro, a tropical paradise with immaculate beaches, colorful coral reefs, and a relaxed island atmosphere. Bocas del Toro is situated off the Caribbean coast of Panama. For those who want to relax, dive, or enjoy the beach, this is the ideal location. Here are a few of the primary draws. Isla Colón. The vibrant hamlet of Bocas Hamlet, with its colorful wooden buildings, boutique hotels, and beachside restaurants, is located on Isla Colón, the main and most developed island in the archipelago. It's the ideal starting point for touring the neighboring islands. Known for its profusion of sea stars, Starfish Beach is a peaceful beach on Isla Colón that offers calm, pristine waters for swimming and snorkeling. One of the most well-liked beaches in Bocas del Toro is Red Frog Beach, which is situated on Isla Bastimentos. It is well known for its fine white sand, verdant jungle surroundings, and the island's indigenous little red frogs. The little isolated island of Isla Zapatilla, which is a part of the Bastimentos National Marine Park, is a true tropical retreat with its unspoiled beaches, turquoise waters, and great snorkeling. Boquete is the place to go if you want a milder climate and stunning mountain views. Located in the Chiriquí province's mountains, Boquete is a well-liked vacation spot for foreigners and those who enjoy the outdoors. The national park of Volcán Barú is the main attraction of Boquete. The tallest mountain in Panama, Volcán Barú, offers adventurers a stunning perspective of the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans from its peak. For those in good physical shape, the hike is pleasant yet challenging. Boquete is also well known for its excellent coffee. You can learn about the whole coffee-making process from bean to cup on one of the many guided excursions offered by nearby coffee farms. This area is home to the unique and highly prized geisha coffee varietal, which is regarded as one of the greatest in the world. Additionally, Boquete has several lovely hiking paths, including the Lost Waterfalls Trail, which leads to 3 breathtaking waterfalls tucked away in the dense rainforest. The San Blas Islands are a must-see if you're looking for an unspoiled paradise. The majority of the more than 360 islands that make up this archipelago are uninhabited. The islands, which are governed by the indigenous Guna Yala, are renowned for their teeming marine life, white sand beaches, and crystal-clear waterways. Snorkeling and diving are made possible by the abundance of coral reefs in the waters surrounding the San Blas Islands. In some of the Caribbean's clearest waters, you may observe sea turtles, vibrant fish, and other marine life. Another exceptional experience provided by a trip to the San Blas Islands is learning about the customs and culture of the Guna Yala people, who lead a mainly independent lifestyle. You can eat fresh seafood, stay in traditional thatched roof huts, and buy handcrafted molas, which are intricately embroidered textiles, as mementos. Islas de las Perlas, or Pearl Islands. The Pearl Islands, a collection of more than 200 islands and islets off Panama's Pacific coast, provide a more opulent, intimate experience than other Panamanian tourist sites. The most developed island in the group is Isla Contadora, which is well known for its luxurious resorts, immaculate beaches, and fantastic diving and snorkeling spots. Whale viewing. The Pearl Islands are among the world's top locations for whale viewing from July to October. Visitors can see these magnificent animals up close as humpback whales migrate to the warm Pacific waters to give birth. Panama retirement benefits and drawbacks. Advantages: cost of living is reasonable. Panama provides a good standard of living at a fraction of what it would cost in the US or Europe. Benefits for retirees. A number of services are significantly discounted under the Pensionado program. Modern healthcare. Compared to the United States, Panama offers far more affordable, first-rate healthcare services, especially in Panama City. English is widely spoken, particularly in expat groups, making assimilation simple. Gorgeous natural settings. There is a place for every lifestyle, from highland communities to tropical beaches. Lastly, the following are the drawbacks. Weather. Because of its tropical environment, Panama is hot and muggy all year round, which may not be to everyone's taste. Bureaucracy. Dealing with government agencies and handling paperwork may be tedious and frustrating, much like in many Latin American nations. Cultural differences. Compared to Western nations, Panama has a significantly slower pace of life, which may require some acclimatization. Inadequate infrastructure. Although Panama City has a modern infrastructure, rural communities could occasionally lose electricity or have limited access to services. From cosmopolitan urban life and historical marvels to isolated islands and verdant jungles, Panama is a country rich in diversity. Panama offers something for everyone, whether you're drawn to its lively culture, outdoor pursuits, or serene beaches. The nation is a popular destination for retirees, as well as those seeking adventure and leisure due to its blend of natural beauty, contemporary conveniences, and a rich history. Thank you for viewing. For more videos like this, please hit the subscribe button and give this one a thumbs up if you found it useful. To ensure you don't miss any updates, remember to click the notification bell. Check out our many more films about living your best life, traveling to new places, and retiring overseas. As always, we appreciate your participation in our community. Please let us know in the comments if Panama is on your list of retirement destinations. I'll see you in the upcoming video.